Feel like your branding is all guesswork? You know your business, but when it comes to brand strategy, it's like throwing darts in the dark. Today, we're diving into Branding5, an AI-powered marketing solution that helps you define your brand and build a strategy that actually works. Think of it like a GPS for your brand. Plug in the details, and Branding5 shows you the fastest path to stand out and grow. It starts with a comprehensive brand audit. Just enter your brand name, audience, and website. The AI handles the heavy lifting. In minutes, you'll get a shareable, insight-packed report with core messaging, product claims, ideal customer profile, SEO performance, brand positioning, and a full competitor analysis. Branding5 doesn't stop at who your competitors are. It tells you what they're doing right and how you can do it better. Next, build your brand positioning with a simple questionnaire. Select your archetypes, attributes, and tone, and let Branding5 generate a tailored strategy with tagline, user personas, content direction, campaign ideas, all in one place, without paying thousands in agency fees. And if you upgrade to Tier 3, you'll unlock up to 10 custom brand reports every month. So, ready to put your brand on the map? Try Branding5 today and build a strategy that's smart, fast, and built for growth. Link in the description.